Good morning, students. So today we are going to explain I am going to explain the case study problem. Okay. So case study in that we are going to discuss about the operation research techniques. So operation research technique is nothing but one resource oriented paper. So this paper helps us to find the optimization technique. That is whether we are going to find the maximization problem or minimization problem we are going to see. So today I am going to discuss the minimization problem. So if you want to take a food, in morning we used to take a food. So we have to we have to get a food as rich in calories. For example, if you take a pongal or puri means we have the content should be rich in proteins or else carbohydrates. So for that we have to take a minimum quantity, but we should get the energy level should be increased. So that type of problem is nothing but a minimization problem. Okay, so within a limiting case, we are going to get a maximizing the energy. So similarly, when we want to purchase a mobile phone or say something, we are going to purchase a dress like that means within a minimization cost, the quality should be higher. So this is the case today I am going to do. So first, let us take what are the things food you will use to take. List of the food like food, chapati. Today, what are the dinner? What is the breakfast have you taken today? Okay. For example, if you take puri or biryani means the carbohydrates and as well as the proteins will be rich. And here also if you take a dosa means the proteins will be rich. So we have to, the content should be a limited quantity but the quality should be enriched. So for that case, I am giving a quantity. For example, if you want to purchase puri means the cost should be rupees 40. For else biryani means the cost should be 90 rupees. If you take a dosa means you take down as rupees 30. So this contains a calorie of 200 calories it seems. For example, biryani is for example 300 calories. You take down as 100 calories. So what you used to prefer? Dosa. So your choice is nothing but instead of puri or biryani, what is the choice? Dosa. Or if you give this two choices, what will be there? You used to puri because the cost is minimum. So actually we used to prefer only the minimization cost. So because the quantity should be higher and as well as the cost should be minimum. So for example, you have chosen a puri but you have chosen a dosa. Okay. So I am saying that the optimization depends upon the minimization cost. Okay. So minimum within the minimum cost, the quality should be higher. Okay. For example, x1 plus 2x2 we are going to choose. So minimization cost means the inner quantity should be greater than or equal to. For example, the content should be 2x1 plus 3x2. This should be minimization or it should be greater than. So the input of input should be greater than 25. x1 plus 2x2 should be greater than 50. So like that, the minimization cost we have to prepare for this problem. Okay. So for also those means we have to contain the same minimization problem we are going to adapt because cost should be minimum and as well as the equation should be greater than or equal to content. x1, x2, why we are declaring it as greater than or equal to 0 means because it is a non-negative resolution. Anything should be not a negative. It should be only a positive thing only. So this type of content we can say it is an optimization technique. So optimization refers to both the maximization case or else the minimization case. So these are the two cases. In minimization case we can say it is greater. What about the maximization case? Maximization can this greater than or equal to, can say it's a less than or equal to. Okay. So 2x1 plus x2 should be less than or equal to 25. Okay. x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 15. Okay. So x1 plus x2, this should be greater. This always should be less than or equal to. So the equation will be maximum z equal to 4x1 plus 5x2. So this area is always represent the rupees. Okay. So for example, if taking dosa rupees and puri rupees means we have to mention only in the maximization and minimization. Like that we can solve the case study problem. So today I